Hi guys, welcome to the video about simple and compound sentences. As always, make sure you're taking good notes. You know that we use them in class and it's really helpful for your memory. So we've already talked about this year that there are different ways to group sentences. We've already talked about grouping them by their purpose. Today, we are going to talk about grouping them by their parts or the different elements that make the sentence. So first, we'll talk about simple sentences. So a simple sentence is made up of a complete subject and a complete predicate. And if you need a little bit of a reminder about subjects and predicates, make sure you go back and watch that video. So here's our example. The rainforest is being destroyed. So there we have a complete thought. The rainforest is our subject, is being destroyed is our predicate, and there we have a simple sentence. Now we have compound sentences. Compound sentences are made up of two or more simple sentences that are joined together by a comma and a coordinating conjunction, or they're joined together by a semicolon. So first we need to talk about what a coordinating conjunction is. If you need a reminder of what a conjunction is in general, make sure you go back and watch that parts of speech video. So a coordinating conjunction is a conjunction that joins or coordinates two or more things like words, clauses, sentences. Today we're talking about sentences. And here's a little trick to help you remember them. The word is fanboys, and that stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So each of those words is a coordinating conjunction. So that is a little handy one you're going to want to make sure you definitely write down and try to memorize those because that will come in very, very handy for you. Fanboys. So back to compound sentences. All right, they're made up of two or more simple sentences joined together by a comma and a coordinating conjunction or a semicolon. So here's an example. The rainforest is being destroyed and many of its plants and animals are disappearing. So here we can see we have that comma and one of our coordinating conjunctions, and that makes this a compound sentence. Before the comma and the and, we have a simple sentence, and after the comma and the and, we have a simple sentence. And because they are joined with the comma and a coordinating conjunction, it is a compound sentence. Let's have another example. It's the same sentence, I've just organized it a little differently. So the rainforest is being destroyed, semicolon, many of its plants and animals are disappearing. So it's really important to learn that a semicolon always goes between two complete sentences, two simple sentences that are about a similar thing. All right, and in this case, we have that same situation. So that semicolon there makes this a compound sentence. And that's all there is. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check your notes and rewatch any parts that you need to.